Andu magana matandatu ma mirongo mugwanja na umwe hari ithimi 6,200 nio monekanite na murimu wa COVID-19 ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini makirugamira arwaru 23,873 riri arwaru 603 mahonete murimu uyu guku 3 magikua.
413 are male, while 258 are female. The youngest is a 3-year-old baby, while the oldest is 94 years old.
Kaunti ya Nairobi yandikithitie arwaru 376, kaunti ya Kiambu ikiandikithia arwaru aingi muthenya umwe ari arwaru 112, kaunti ino ari imwe iria ci ugwati-ini wa kwatiririo ni murimu wa COVID-19. Akiaria hindi ya icera riake thibitari-ini ya KU akiruguria itanda cia ICU na HDU, minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe augite ino ni imwe ya thibitari iria cikoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere hari guteithiriria bururi na kung'ethanira na king'uki kia murimu uyu.
60 additional HDU and ICU beds, as well as 440 isolation beds. That means that in total, this facility will now carry 1,150 beds, out of which 150 will be for cancer purposes, and then the rest of it really committed to COVID-19.
Kaunti ciothe ni ciuritio guthii na mbere na kwinyitia muthiori kuona wigiriki wothe wa ugima wa muingi kaunti-ini nio matigiirwo riri atanyite gugacera mwena wa Nyanza na Western muthini wa kiumia giki.
It is worthy to note that the progress here is not isolated. In all other facilities managed by the national government, there has been tremendous improvement. The same achievement has been witnessed across our counties. I have been impressed by what I have seen in the few counties that I have visited, and the reports we are getting from other counties is impressive. And indeed, my ministry will continue to visit and work with other counties. Beginning this Friday, there will be a Western and Nyanza circuit by my ministry.
Mutahi ni eranire thirikari ni guthii na mbere na kunyitirira arigitani guku bururi-ini kuona mari muhari-ini wa mbere wa kunyitwo ni murimu wa COVID-19.
We need to keep our medical personnel as safe as possible. Besides providing them with protective gear, we have also continually addressed their welfare needs. We note some mamas among some of the workers, and we would like to address those mamas as well.
Gukinyaniria na riu andu makiria ma milioni 18 nio manyititwo ni murimu uyu thi yothe. Andu makiria ma 700,000 magikua kumana na murimu uyu guku andu 11,000 makihona. Gitaru kia Afrika, bururi wa South Africa ugithii na mbere na guthinikiririo kona-ini uri na arwaru 521 318. Girifotera Kameme TV, retora kwa ni Wajiru wa Foro.